We have two cats, Tommy and Lily. They're both incredible pets and are definitely part of our family. However, as many of you other cat owners know, when the Christmas tree goes up, they become sneaky little criminals. Thankfully, they don't try and climb up the tree, but they will bat off as many ornaments as possible and constantly play underneath it. I caught Lily in the act running under the tree again, and then slamming through the presents on her way out after being caught. We don't even bother decorating the bottom third of the tree anymore because the ornaments would just end up on the floor or underneath the tree. We love them both to death, but the struggle is definitely real.